Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn autoplay on or off on your Windows 7 device. So basically, any of you guys that are familiar with putting in a DVD or flash drive, your computer might try and open it up automatically when you plug it in. So in this brief tutorial, I'll be showing you guys what should hopefully be a pretty quick workaround for that. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start button. And you want to type in autoplay, and then underneath control panel, one of the best options should say change default settings for media or devices. So just left click on that one time. Uncheck the box where it says use autoplay for all media and devices if you want to turn it off, and then click on save. If you want to turn it back on, just click on the box next to use autoplay for all media and devices, and then click on save again. But let's just say you wanted to turn it off, just uncheck it, click on save, and autoplay should be disabled. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.